Hi everybody, we are at Magic Kingdom today and we are going to see what it is like for early entry and answer the question, how much can you actually get done during that half an hour? So come and join me. All right, so what exactly is early entry? Early entry is a perk for Disney World Resort guests and Good Neighbor hotels where you actually get into all of the Disney parks 30 minutes prior to the park opening. So it's kind of a nice thing to take advantage of. Magic Kingdom is nice too because you have not empty Main Street for castle photos, but certainly less crowded. As you can see, a lot of the PhotoPass photographers do not have a line today. So this is a great time before your family gets all messy and sweaty to stop and take a cute castle photo. So do that, and then when you go to enter Fantasyland or Tomorrowland, they will actually scan your band to make sure that you are staying at a qualifying resort. So make sure that you allow the cast members to do that. Only one person in your party, if you're all together, typically needs to do that. And so it's kind of a cool perk. You can usually get at least a couple of the big rides done during this half hour. So that is kind of our goal today. Good morning. Perfect, thank you. All right, I think we're gonna head to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train because that is the most popular ride here this morning. So let's go check that out. We just got done with Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. That was basically a walk-on. So the other ride that's really popular in Fantasyland that I want to try to get done before the park opens is Peter Pan's Flight. So I'm gonna rush over there and try to get in line for that one. And that'll probably be what we can get done in early entry. So 2 of the tier 1 rides, one that is not on Lightning Lane multi-pass. Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is actually a single pass ride. And so that can certainly save you a lot of money if you have a family and that is something you want to be able to do. So, but let's run over to Peter Pan's and get in line for that. Captain Hook is out. He's sort of wandering, so he won't like stop and do autographs typically, but kind of cute interaction. So be on the lookout for them, especially in the mornings. A lot of times characters will be out early. All right, so I actually have time for one more ride, and I am going to do It's a Small World. There's no wait. This is not my favorite ride, but it is nostalgic and many families love it. So let's go take a slow-moving boat ride on It's a Small World as we appreciate all of the different cultures from around the world.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro.
All right, that officially concludes our early entry at Magic Kingdom. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you got some tips to make the best of your morning here. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to our channel. It really helps us and we appreciate it so much. We appreciate all of our viewers. So I'm Joni from Mom and Me and Disney. Thanks for coming. Bye.